The number of individuals that play and enjoy football is astounding. It's fair to say that all nations, whether great or small, participate in this game. In addition, it is an excellent means of de-stressing, relieving tension, and learning self-discipline and cooperation amongst others. Furthermore, it promotes general physical and mental well-being. The fact that it is played on teams make it more fun to watch, and the players learn the value of teamwork and leadership in a competitive environment. And since we are talking about players, Dak Prescott is one of the most renowned players in the world of football. He is the fourth most paid athlete in 2021 according to Forbes. The three athletes who earned more than him were Cristiano Ronaldo with $120 million, Lionel Messi with $130 million, and Conor McGregor at number 1 in $180 million. He made $107.5 million in total earnings for the 12-month period ending in April 2021, breaking the previous record for NFL players. We can easily say that he is loaded, so it is understandable why he could afford to construct his own football field beside his enormous Texas estate. Prescott extended his contract with the Dallas Cowboys for another 4 years in 2021 for $160 million, with a signing bonus of $66 million. This was done after he renovated his over $3 million house. The building is a sports enthusiast's paradise, complete with a gaming bar and a sports simulator. Prescott is even creating a golf course to complement the football field with additional cash he's currently earning. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy while we take you on a tour inside this beautiful oasis. When you're Dak Prescott, home isn't simply a place to unwind and enjoy yourself after a tough training day. It's also not just a place to party and have a good time. Prescott had one essential requirement when searching for his ideal home in 2019. It had to have a sizable backyard where he could build his own practice football field. His fantasy became a reality when Prescott first set eyes on this magnificent property in Houston, Texas. It is located in a prestigious community with enormous home and long winding drives. The gated property has an off-road path system, 7 acres of beautiful grass, and a main residence with 9,000 square feet. Prescott spent $3.3 million to turn this house into his. Remember, the typical home in Prosper, Texas costs just over $645,000, and that Dak is undoubtedly one of the wealthiest residents. The mansion's expansive backyard comes with much more than just empty space. In addition to a jacuzzi, various covered patios, a grill station, and a fire pit, it also has a custom football field. The Dallas Cowboys quarterback used the well-kept field as a private location for him and his colleagues to train. Faith is inscribed across the end zones and is customized with unique D4K emblems. As a memorial to his late mother, Prescott's silhouette was included in the design, pointing upward. Hallas Construction, the same business the Cowboys employed to develop their fields at the $1.15 billion AT&T Stadium and the $1.50 billion The Star Stadium, erected the practice field, according to ESPN. Although the pitch is smaller than a stadium field and only measures approximately 45 yards, Prescott has disclosed that it was still a highly expensive undertaking. The average cost of a turf football field ranges from $648,000 to $2 million, depending on the size and material quality. Typically, the price per square foot of grass is between $8 and $20. One thing is sure, Prescott's already expensive Texas property now has some additional worth thanks to the custom field. The football player has access to various activities on his own property, including riding around on several high-performance ATVs that are kept there. As he disclosed in an interview with Graham Benzinger, the quarterback claims he intends to build a putting green with several holes for all the undeveloped land in his backyard that is still available. His new golf course will provide his already spectacular house with another layer of fun. All those dollars got me gasping for air. Whew! Let's take a short breather. If you were one of the wealthiest athletes in the world, would you spend millions or billions on constructing your own court, stadium, ring, or whatever sport you are affiliated with? Let us know in the comment section. Now let's go back to our little journey. With 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, Dak's Texas estate is massive. It was constructed in 2012, making it a relatively recent building. Prescott deals with a lot of luxurious space. But remember that all inside photographs are shot before he purchased the home, so the interior design and renovations may significantly alter this area. A classy entry hall and a winding staircase greet you as soon as you enter. Prescott might utilize the high-tech office on the first level to examine game footage and analyze plays. The neighboring living room has wooden built-ins, a lovely fireplace, and soaring ceilings. The enormous kitchen provides plenty of room for food preparation, and double glass doors open to one of the home's covered patios. Prescott or his personal chef may use the several islands with granite tops and sizable pantry to their maximum potential. There are 2 huge refrigerators, an integrated bar faucet, and stainless steel equipment. Where does he sleep though? The master bedroom in Prescott is enormous and grand. This room has large windows, high ceilings, a second fireplace, and a walk-in closet via door on the left. The master bathroom is equally stunning. It contains a steam shower, jetted tub, and a conveniently situated fitness area. Additionally, the master bedroom features a sitting space with direct access to the garden. The second story has several comfortable guest rooms, but its finest amenity is this enormous sports bar. Let's go up to the second floor. It has a projection screen sports simulator, and a pub close by flows into a sizable gaming area with a pool table. There are flat-screen TVs and sports memorabilia in the private bar. Prescott may have updated the space with his own decor choices, but the quarterback and his colleagues likely use this traditional bar often. Prescott hasn't disclosed any particular inside improvements he's made to the estate, but because all of his backyard improvements, Zillow estimates the house's current value at more than $4.2 million. That's not shabby for a sports person who grew up mainly in a trailer park. Dak Prescott's net worth was roughly $40 million as of 2021, but it took a long time to get there. Prescott had received endorsement payments totaling almost $50 million from well-known companies, including Adidas, Campbell's, and Pepsi during the time this film was produced. His new deal with the Cowboys is worth an astounding $160 million, including a $4 million salary per year and a previously stated $66 million signing bonus. According to Forbes, Prescott is one of just 4 professional athletes to have earned $100 million or more. Although the Louisiana native put a lot of effort into and overcame many challenges to reach these heights, all these financial statistics are indeed astounding. Dak Prescott was born in Sulphur, Louisiana, and spent a large portion of his youth there with his family, living in a trailer park. Prescott still remembers his mother's arduous efforts to support him and his brothers, who required long hours of labor. His jersey number 4 is a nod to her birthday on September 4th. Football, according to Prescott, was his lifesaver as a child when his family sometimes stayed in budget hotels because they couldn't afford to pay their electric bill. His most notable achievements in the sport date back to his time as a quarterback for Houghton High School, when he won a championship. He later played college football at Mississippi State, where he has a 2-time first-team All-Sec selection. He was drafted by the Dallas Cowboys with the 135th overall pick in 2016, and he has spent his whole NFL career with the team. He has also won the Connolly Trophy twice. He claims that his work ethic is a result of his background, which also taught him not to take his money for granted. We can sit back and appreciate where life and Dak Prescott's hard work will take him next. This is where our journey ends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you haven't already, be sure to click the like, subscribe button, and activate the notification bell. We'll be back soon with another video all about luxury.